Okay, so my screen is visible, right? Shall we start our class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so before going to develop our project, let's see about the ThinkSpeak platform. Okay, so how to do IoT project? As we seen yesterday, we are going to use our WalkV platform, because this platform only consists of ESP32, and ESP32 only have Wi-Fi. That Wi-Fi will connect into connect all data into internet, that is cloud. Okay, so we are going to upload all the data into our cloud. So then we are going to see the output in our web dashboard from anywhere in the world. Okay, so that's the real important for of IoT. So first of all, we know how to simulate, like go to the walkway. This is just simple, and choose the ESP32. Then there are a lot of ESP32. Choose the first one. Then we are going to connect like this. You can see we are going to connect multiple sensors like this. So if we need, we can add display, but in our project we are not going to add LCD display. Because why? Because means like we are going to display all the values using serial monitor, and also going to print the values in the Blink IoT platform. I will say that when we are working. Okay, so this is how you can you are going to write the code. So we will see the code when we are writing the, when we are going to do the project. So this one we need to import some library also, and final output will be like this. Okay, and this is what I said. Instead of Blink, you can also use ThinkSpeak platform. What is ThinkSpeak? ThinkSpeak is also IoT cloud platform like Blink IoT. So ThinkSpeak is one of the alternative to that. So you can also work on this one. So we are not going to work on ThinkSpeak, but just know there is a IoT cloud is there. So how to do that? You need to you are not able to log in with Google. You need to create here MathWorks account. Okay, so you need to create that one and log in, and then create new channel, and we are going to connect the channel into our code like this. We need to write code like this in our IDE. Okay, the walkway platform, we need to write the write code like this. So then it will work. So this is the ThinkSpeak simulation. So you can do that simply, but yesterday we have seen, right, like SSID password thing. I already explained that one. So when you are using walkway platform, you don't need to worry on username password. Just give username as walkway guest. This is pre-default. Password you no need to set. Okay, automatically it connect to the virtual Wi-Fi of walkway. Actually ESP is inside the walkway website, right? So we are not able to
Sir,
connect our Wi-Fi. Yeah,
sir, I have a question.
yeah, you can ask.
Basically, yeah, I tried with the real hardware,
Okay,
so I got some error while doing this. Like the as you shown in the code that SSID and password. I also tried with the same, but
like
I got some
when
error.
you wait a minute. When you are using the real-time hardware means, then the concept is slightly different. What you need to do is you need to turn on your mobile hotspot, then you need to give
Sir,
the mobile hotspot name and mobile hotspot password. Then the
sir,
ESP that ESP connect into your Wi-Fi, your hotspot, then automatically it will take the internet and upload to the cloud. Like that it will work.
can't we do with our router?
What you are asking?
So can't we do with our router?
uh, One thing you can do, what you will do, just share me the screenshot what error you are facing, because real hardware is complete, like some difference is there. You need to configure some other things. So only
Sir,
when you are doing simulation, then you are need to use like this, because walkway platform we are using this platform only, right? So we need to give like this. When you are going to real hardware, you need to give your own, and some debugging also there. So please share that error to me personally, then we will fix that one. Okay, so whoever doing real time means you can message me and share the error that you are facing. Yeah, that is a good practice actually. When you are using real hardware in your hand, exactly same procedure you need to follow. Only some difference is there. That is also I'm ready to say what error, I can help you, so you can share me. Okay, so yeah, any other doubt regarding the topic, or we will move?
So we will move, sir.
Okay, so this is how you can create a channel in ThinkSpeak platform. Actually, ThinkSpeak, if you are interested, means we will see a special class in next week. But instead of using ThinkSpeak, why I am using Blink platform means Blink is very simple. Okay, so you can use ThinkSpeak also. So this is the last of slide. So now also one more thing is available. One more cloud platform, that is Firebase. Okay, this is Google official one. You can use this also, firebase.com. So yeah, this one, firebase.google.com. Here you can also connect your ESP32 with this website also. This is also supported, but comparing to ThinkSpeak, and this one is ThinkSpeak and Firebase, Blink is very simple, and also we can do lot of operation there. So that's why I'm using this one, this platform, Blink. Okay, you can see here. So these,
Always.
yeah,
Okay.
uh, when somebody is unmuting, please make sure there is no noise around. We will develop our project. Any doubt on that means you can ask. Okay, so there are 3 platforms, just I need to deliver that to you. But what we are actually doing in our project is this Blink platform. Okay, Firebase, and also I will show you the ThinkSpeak website also, no issue. ThinkSpeak. Okay, so here you can see thingspeak.mathworks.com. So this one is owned by Mathworks company, like that. So you need to log in here using like this. So you can see how it is working. They are given. So just by giving your creating your own account, you can also do here, and also you can just use the Google account also. That is also possible. But here Blink is, as I already said yesterday, we have done simple, right? So that's why we are using. So close the remaining 2, just use our Blink. Okay, so I will guide through this. Any doubt means you can ask. Okay, just log in. Yesterday we have created our account, right? So just we are going to log in today. So after click login, automatically it will log in, because yesterday class I already signed up, so that's why it is come directly. Okay, so I will say that what project actually we are going to develop. I will close the slide. So now open your Walkwe platform, walkwe.com. Okay, this is our Walkwe platform. So what we are actually going to do in our today class means we are going to develop this project and upload into our, which one, that is really important when you are going to apply for any kind of internship or job. So you need to showcase your skill. So for that we definitely need our github page. Okay, so github.com. Okay, so here we are going to upload our project. Yeah, I will guide you how you can do that one. Okay, so if we have time, I will upload the project project also. If the class time exceeded means you do yourself. Okay, I just say how you can upload. So first of all, choose the ESP and create your own. Actually, I already done my own, so I go directly. So this is our project. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of sensors there. Okay, let's see one by one what actually we are going to do. Here you can see smart home security. So that is our project. So there are a lot of coding here. You can see until about 200 line code. Okay, so you no need to worry. I will explain everything. First of all, see what actually we are connecting. Then only you able to understand that one. Okay, so I will full screen this one. So we are using our ESP32 microcontroller. So you know this one is temperature and humidity sensor, and this one is buzzer. This one is PIR sensor, and this one is one of the sensor, I will say that. So actually this is LDR sensor, but in our project we are using this as flame sensor, and relay for switching this flame sensor. Okay, like relay is for safety thing, so that's why we are using this is actually not necessary, but for our understanding we are also using relay. Instead of this you can connect directly also, okay. So, but real time when you are doing, the relay is must, because we are when we are handling high voltage appliances, relay is very important, okay. So okay, I will say that. So and here you can see this one is like potentiometer and this one is also potentiometer. So why we are connecting two type of potentiometer means I will explain each and every component from right to left, okay. So this one relay we already know. So this one is we are going to use this as flame sensor, like when the fire is detected means the buzzer will start to ring, okay. So this one one application, and this one is PIR sensor. When someone is entering into our security room, something like that, it will indicate to ESP. Then this one is gas leakage sensor. It is actually a potentiometer, but we are using this potentiometer as the gas leakage sensor. In walkway we don't have such sensor, so because of that we are using this potentiometer to simulate the values, okay. Okay, and this one we know temperature sensor and humidity and buzzer, and this one is also potentiometer. It is used to in our project we are using this as like water level. So if I will show you, if the this indication, I mean this handle is below here, the water level is low, like that we are going to simulate. Okay, so these all the components connected into ESP. You can zoom in and see everything where it is connected, okay. So I will show you. First of all, let's go to this sensor. This sensor have 4 pins, A0, D0, ground, VCC. We are only going to connect D0, okay. We are not using analog, just digital. So this D0 is connected to D4, and here you can see relay is connected to D2, okay. And move on to the PIR sensor. This one is connected to D15, okay. So PIR sensor is D15, and this one is connected into VP. I will explain that what is that one. And here you can see this one is connected into this SDA is connected to D27, and buzzer is connected into D14. Okay, let's open our code and understand how we configured actually. Okay, let's see here. Okay, yeah, here you can see flame sensor is actually connected into D4. I already showed you, right? Here you can see D4. So that is what I mentioned. And motion sensor, so that means this PIR sensor, it is connected into D15. So that is what I mentioned here, D15. Okay, and here gas sensor, that is 36th pin. Gas sensor we are using this one. So according to data sheet, if you refer this VP pin, this is 36th number. So how to find this 36th pin? You need to open like I will open that one so that you understand. ESP 32 block diagram or something like that. You can search, lot of image will be available. Yeah, here you can see. Okay, this one is not clear, so we need a clear image. Visit this one. Just wait few seconds. Yeah, here you can see the 36th. Where is 36? 36. Okay, 40, 35, 38. Here you can see 36th pin, and like it is showing some other. Okay, actually this one is ESP32 developer module. So according to module, some will change. Okay, let's see, come to our walkway and go like this. Here you can see a lot of things available. I need exact block diagram. They will say all the details about this ESP. How to do that? Just click your ESP and question mark. Okay, so then you get every details of that board. Okay, and I'm just searching. If we are getting that means we will understand that one. Okay, otherwise just assume that one. I'm unable to see the pin diagram. I need pin diagram actually. ESP32 is okay. Walkway simulates. Which board this one? I don't know exact model. S2, S3, okay. Okay, let's go back our project. Okay, this sensor, that means gas sensor. Okay, this gas sensor is connected to VP pin. So VP pin, assume that one, that is 36th pin. Okay, water sensor pin is connected to 39. Water sensor means this one. Okay, this one is water sensor, and actually this is slide potentiometer, but we are using this as water sensor. Where it is connected, you can see here. Here it is connected. Here I will show you. This is the signal pin connected to the VN pin. So VN and VP pin is like VN pin number here you can see 39. Okay, so this one you need to see the data sheet. Okay, I will share you after the class, if possible. I will share you how these two number we get. You need to see the data sheet of VP, like this ESP32, they will say VP and VN pin numbers. Okay, so according to that we declare these two. And pump pin, what is this pump pin? You can see that pump, actually we are using D2. Okay, where is the D2? D2. Someone find D2, please say. Yeah, here you can see D2. So that is relay. Okay, we are using pump pin like 2. So when why we are using pump means, I will say that, like when the water level is low or something like that, or on that time, or else when the temperature is too high, on that time pump will activate it to spray the water to reduce the temperature. Okay, that's why we are using pump. And buzzer is connected to the 14th pin. We already seen that, right? Here you can see 14th pin. So that is this complete set of code. We know how we are connecting this one. And this one is to connect Wi-Fi that is available in Walkway default. And this one is for token authentication, that is here you can see, to initiate this one. These three lines we need to get from our Blink platform. I will say how to get this. And these all are library you need to include. How to include library? Go to the library manager and plus icon and type that library name. You can see what is the library name, DHTESP. Like that you need to search for these 4 library and import this. Okay, like that you need to search like DHTESP, like that. So here you can see, so you need to import like this all the library. Okay, and coming back to our code. So yeah, this one. And we know this DHT sensor is connected to the 27th pin. So that's what we are defined here. You can also define like this, or else you can define like this also, so no issue. And this one for Blink platform, we are setting the timer. Okay, you no need to worry on these things. So just understand how we understand these all things, and this declaration also. Okay, this one to initialize this sensor, this temperature sensor, we need to use this one. Which model we are using, that is we need to mention. And here delay, they are using as 1000 seconds, sorry, milliseconds. And these all are for variables. Okay, you no need to worry on these also. And here we are defining some other pins, that is virtual pins, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V7. Where are these pins available? These pins are available in our Blink platform. Okay, this platform we need to connect these pins. I will say that how to connect that one, and we need to connect that into Blink. That is why we are using this line to connect these all the data into Blink. Okay, so that's all. And here we are set up pin mode. You already know everything is input. Okay, because we are using only sensors, only 2 output, buzzer is output and pump pin, that is relay. relay is used to turn on the motor, so we are using that as output. And this is used to turn on the temperature sensor, and this is used to start the program of blink to verify the uh, blink communication, to start the blink communication. Okay, and here we have written some logic. So logic is our code. I will explain that one. Okay, how it is working we will see. So until this 134 line we able to understand what they are using. Okay, actually sorry, 77 line we know. So after that void loop they are using some kind of lot of program. Okay, so I will say that no need to worry. So let's open our blink. So how to create, first of all open your dashboard, or else go to the developer zone. In developer zone go to my template and create new template. Okay, new template, and give a name like smart water level indicator or something like that, like smart security system. Okay, that is what we are developing. So give that name smart security system, smart home security, like that you need to give and create done. Like we need to select ESP32 and we need to create done, click the done, because a template is already exist in my project. I am already created this one, so I just opening. Okay, so after open it will show like this. Go to the data stream, first step is that one. And here you can see I added a lot of things here. Default there is no thing available. So how to add means click the edit and click new data stream and virtual pin. Virtual pin, how to configure these all the things means go to the walkme platform and see our code. Okay, here you can see V1 is gas sensor pin, so you need to give gas sensor and select this as V1. Okay, so we click this one and select the V1. I am unable to select this one because I already created the gas status. You can see V1, I already created this one. Like that you need to create 6 virtual pin. How to do that? Just click this virtual pin and just change the name and see the details in our code. Okay, V2 is water sensor, V3 is flame sensor, V4 is motion sensor, V5 is temperature, and V6 is actually we are not using, so just give V7. Okay, you can also use V6, but in program used V7, so you can use that better. Okay, you can see pump status also I given V7. After that you need to, whenever you are creating, you can see here, click new data stream, virtual pin, you only going to change this name, like anything like status, you no need to change anything else. Okay, only when you are creating temperature, on that time click this one and change to double and click this max value as 100, only when you are creating temperature. Okay, and click create. I'm not going to create because I have already created temperature. You can see I am creating this one only as double data type. Why I am going for double means, here you can see why I am going to double and change this into 100, because we are going to get value in like in dot value, like the decimal one. So that's why we are using double. Here there is no float is available, so we are using double and click the save. So that's all about creating virtual pins. You need to create 6 pins totally. Okay, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V7. We can also use V6, but when you are giving V6 means you can also need to change that in our program as V6. Okay, that's all about blink variable creation. After this successful creation, don't exit. Okay, it will everything will get lost. So just click the save and apply. Okay, then go to the web dashboard. Okay, so I will delete this everything and I will show you from scratch how to do this. Okay, we'll delete this, delete, I will show you everything how to create from scratch. This one is really important. Variable creation you can do that yourself, that is simple, but this one little bit complex, so I'm going to do from the scratch. So unfortunately I click duplicate, delete. Okay, so initially the empty widget you will see here. So first of all you need to add temperature. So just click this gauge and drag and drop here. Okay, click this settings icon and choose the data stream. We have created temperature as V5 pin, so select this one. Automatically it will come like this. Change, you can also do configuration, something like change color based on value. So based on value the color will change. So I will turn on this one, and according to your things you can choose anything here. Okay, so this is just optional, you can choose anything you want. So I'm going to give some red color. Okay, and click save. Now we have temperature here. Then we need to add 4 LED. I will say why we are using 4 LED. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now we are going to add one of the switch. Drag and drop the switch over here. So we have successfully created our dashboard. Only we have configured the temperature, right? So let's change these LED also. So how to do that? Just click this one and you get the big screen. Click this 3 dot and go to the settings. So we need to change this LED to our data stream. So first of all we will add the we will add the water status. Click this one, automatically that will come like this, and save. Now you can see the water status is here. You can expand this also like this. Okay, so move here and move this one here, expand like this for bigger size. Okay, and expand like this, expand like this. Okay, now we have configured the water status, and this one click the settings and choose motion status. Okay, click the, we can also change the LED color. So for motion I change into orange, and this one we need to create one more thing. So click the settings and choose flame status, that is fire detected means the light will glow. Okay, flame status, and the final you need to add gas status. Okay, 4 status we have successfully created, and here in switch you need to choose pump status. Okay, automatically the pump will get turned on when according to our condition, the pump will get turned on. I will show you when that is getting turned on. Okay, so that's all about our panel creation. We have successfully created our blink panel. Okay, so after that click save and apply. Now we have our dashboard, you can see. So here already the LED is turned on initially because it is showing online, but this is for only like showcase. Okay, our project not started it, so I will show you how it will work. Okay, just after save, click the refresh. It will take some time. Okay, this is how the device page will look like for actual devices. Okay, now go to the home. Now if you click the home, you will see something like this. Go into that, then you see this is our real status. The device is offline actually. Okay, so when you are connecting your ESP, then it get to turned change into online, and these all are initially turned off. It will show the real temperature, pump status, everything. Okay, so let's connect our ESP, then let's see. So how to connect your ESP? First of all, you need to give these 3 line properly, then only it will connect. So for that, go to your blink, go to the devices. So clear your devices first, delete every devices that you have. So how to delete? Wait a second. Click this one, delete. Now you don't have any device, just click the new device from template and choose the template smart home security that you have already created and click create. Now we have our panel, and also you can see the 3 line it will show. What you will do means just copy this 3 line, copy and go to your Walkme platform, and here you need to give these 3 lines and paste our new 3 lines. Okay, you can see the new 3 lines automatically changed after I pasted. So now just what you need to do is start the simulation. Okay, automatically I will close this one. Automatically what it will do, it change the device into online. Then these are initially you can see nothing is working, right? I will close this one. Nothing is working actually. Initially you can see no temperature showing, no pump status, no LED is turned on. So how to do this? Just start the simulation. These two websites are completely different. We are going to connect this ESP into our Blink IoT website. Okay, it will take some time for compiling. So let's wait for a few minutes. After successful compilation, let's check our device, it get online or offline. So it takes some time. So on the time we will see our code. Okay, so what actually we are doing here means we are going to connect lot of sensors. You can see. So actually we are using relay. This is for pump, this one is for fire sensor, and this one is motion, this one is gas sensor, this one is temperature sensor, this one is water level sensor, and this one is buzzer. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 peripherals we need to configure here. So that's why the code is some more big, so no need to worry. So first we will go one by one. Okay, so it will take some time. Just if it will take more time, in just cancel and compile again. Hopefully it will work. So let's see. And then here you can see initially we are applying like this one, setuping gas sensor, and if it cross the 165 limit means automatically it show gas is detected and the gas status get this LED get turned on. Okay, and then so that is what we are doing here. We are checking the condition and printing the like make the LED. Okay, you can see digital right, pump pin as high. So that is what we are doing, and also we are doing pump pin comma 1, which means we are using blink dot virtual right. We are writing the inside the blink this one as 1. Which one? Gas sensor, gas status, this one. That is what we are doing in this line. Okay, so coming to, otherwise if it is not pressed means go to the 0. Blink dot pump pin is 0 if it is lower than 165. So let's check this first logic, it is working or not. You can see Wi-Fi is connected, and go to the this one, it show the online. You can see that online status. Okay, so just refresh this one. Actually it show online, but here yeah you can see initially water status is this LED get turned on. Why? Because you can see water over is also displaying, because our water is initially low, so we need to fill the water status. Now I turn like make the water full. You can see here the water status pump is gone, the LED is not glowing. Also the water over message is not printing. Now you can see nothing is coming. So when you are like water level is decreased, automatically the message is printing and LED is turned on. Okay, that's what. And if you are confusing means, what I will do, I will take this one like this, just a few minutes. Okay, like this. And okay, now you can see, yes. So hopefully it will working, like you can able to see something. And now we will check the gas sensor. Okay, for that you can see the gas status is initially nothing, it is not glowing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust this one. Let me do split screen so that you understand here. Okay, now you can able to see the gas status is initially nothing, the LED is not glowing. But here when I'm adjusting, like increasing the value, automatically the gas station, like you can see the gas is turned on, which means gas is leaking. Then the pump is get turned on. You can also see here the pump is turned on. So when I am decreasing the gas leakage, automatically the LED goes off and pump is also turned off. Hope you understand how it is working, the pump and the gas. Now go to the PIR sensor and simulate motion means this motion sensor, this LED will blink. Like, sorry, not blink, it will get turned on. You can see orange color, which means we are the LEDs get turned on simulate after simulating motion. Okay, then move to the temperature sensor. Here you can see initially 12 degrees Celsius, also 12 degrees Celsius. When I am increasing here, you can see it will update slowly 38. So we are setting here 38 and adjusting more 80, and it is also changed into wait few seconds. It have some delay if your internet is some slow or some server is slow. It will change into 80. Just wait few seconds. Okay, it is also indicating over temperature according to our code. Okay, I will show you the code. Actually this one is just stuck, I guess. When you are facing the stuck issue, just refresh the page. Actually blink.console app is not supported by your system. Go to web console. It is still showing that same value. Okay, let's check other things. Sometimes the server issue will be there. Now we adjust this, like this one is flame sensor. When flame is detected, our buzzer will get turned on, and also this LED will get turned on. Okay, let's wait. Actually you can notice that one, our walkway is getting slow, so let me do stop and refresh. Okay, then simulate again and refresh this also. So let's do simulation from beginning. Yeah, Wi-Fi connected. Now adjust our temperature into, now it is actually showing 12. Invalid auth token. Oh, there is some error will be there, that's why it is not connecting. You can see it is showing invalid auth token. This token should be correct, otherwise error will be there. Connecting invalid. Okay, there's something it is showing invalid. So what we will do, we will fix that one. Sometime it will happen. So open your walkway, so sorry, blink one, and go back. We will delete this device and recreate. Okay, actually mouse is like, okay, so create new device. If you are getting error means, do like this and choose our smart home security that we have already created. Now we get new token. Copy this and go to our walkway. Paste this here. Stop the simulation. Replace these 3 lines with our new line and start the simulation. It will take some time for compiling. That is the problem. When you are changing your code, compiling will get start, like take some more minutes. Okay, let's go to the our code. Our class is almost finished. We have already done every simulation. We know the gas logic, gas sensor, and coming to the, like, when the gas sensor is I will show you, when the gas is like over like it cross a limit, we turn on the pump. This one I will show you that logic also. You can see here what we are doing here. When the gas is more than 165, we are doing here, we are turn on the pump gas sensor pin, and also we are turning on the pump also. 2 line you can see here, right? So we are doing 2 operations. If the value is less than 165, then both, here you can see both are set to 0. Okay, now it is working. So go back to our first of all, initially I will low this one. Okay. You can go to your Blink platform. Here you can see device is online and it is showing temperature 12.4. Now what I am going to do, I am adjust the temperature into full 80. Now let's check. You can see the temperature is 80 here. After temperature going to the 80, the temperature is like more inside the room. So automatically the pump will get turned on. It will spray the water and reduce the temperature. If the temperature is below some value, I am reducing the temperature. Now go back to the Blink platform. Let's wait for a few seconds. It gets some time to update. That is okay. Now go to the, yeah, here you can see pump is get turned off and the temperature is also changed 16.5 and same temperature is showing here 16.5. and these all everything we checked. Only flame status is pending. Let's check that one also. So this one is flame sensor we are using. Actually this is LDR sensor, but we are using as flame sensor for simulation. When you are getting the flame sensor turned on the time buzzer will get turned on because fire is detected. And also in Blink platform also you can see fire is detected. Pump is also get turned on automatically to get rid of the fire. Okay, so here come back here, make it normal, no fire detected. So automatically go to the Blink platform, pump is turned off, flame sensor is also get turned off. So this is how this project is working. So how to upload this on GitHub? So that is really simple. What you need to do is just take the screenshot of this. So no, I will upload everything, then just follow that procedure. Okay, so you no need to worry. I just upload now. Okay, wait few seconds. And you know here we are creating separate functions. You can see we are not just blankly given inside the void loop. Okay, we are creating functions for, I will stop the simulation. Here we are creating function for temperature sensor, void temperature sensor. What we are doing, less than like greater than 50 temperature means it will turn on the pump. So that is you have seen. Also in Blink also it will turn on that LED, pump LED and pump switch actually. Okay, so this one get turned on. So that is how it is working. And motion sensor also, we know when we are clicking the simulate motion while simulation, automatically it will make that motion LED 1 turned on. What we are giving here, blink.log event, something like this. So this is not necessary. Blink.log event, blink.log event, this is for only indication purpose. You no need to write this code. uh, Only for logging things. Logging means there is some different concept to store the uh, read to store the last data, something like that. You need to log every event. So there is important detected information, it will store here. But when you are using on real time, it is necessary, but in simulation you don't need this one. So if need, you can just leave this here, but if you are not need, means you don't need to create log event. Okay, so this is not necessary in simulation, only in practical you need to log. Okay, so you don't need to worry on those things. And when the motion is detected means, then we need to show, like, when the motion is not detected means, then motion sensor is set to the 0, like after few seconds. I guess that is what they are doing. Yeah, it detect the motion, and after something it make the motion as low. So that is it is doing. Okay, then flame sensor also we are creating one more function. This one complete thing is for flame sensor. What this is the flame sensor, when the value is crossing the something, like where the value is shown here, right? Flame sensor pin is equal to high. So this getting high means, then we need to turn on the buzzer. So here we are giving the buzzer frequency 550. It will create sound according to that. You no need to give frequency like this also. You can just directly write digital write buzzer pin comma high. Also you can do that, or else you can give frequency like this also. So nothing, both are same, but it will create some other sounds. And yeah, that we are giving a delay here for complete functions. So where we are calling this function, here you can see we are calling this function once in void loop. You can see we are calling these functions, 3 functions here. If we are not calling this function means nothing will work. We already seen that one. So in previous classes we have seen how to create function. So in that thing you are going to create function. Okay, so Saturday, Sunday, like coming days you don't have classes, right? 2 days. So please completely analyze this code and code your own and create this project, and also connect this ESP with Blink IoT platform. So that is you have seen here. Okay, like this you need to create. I already guided you how to create the panel and how to get the output. I will share this project also in our group for only reference. You just no need to copy blindly. Okay, please understand the code, each and every line. Which line you are not understanding means, just share that to me and I will explain. Okay, so mostly I explain the main things, how the function is written, when, where they are calling the functions, everything I have explained. So any doubt means you can ask how this particular function is working, something like that you can ask. Or else you can ask now also, then I will explain. Still we have some 4 minutes, so you can ask that, or else we will end up the class. So you need to know the tutorial how to upload into GitHub, or else you will upload your own. Just if you want tutorial means I will show now, we will end up the class after that. Or else if you are doing your own means we can end up now. What is your suggestion? I will show that also. You understand the concept first, right? How we are connecting the IoT, like connecting our ESP into Blink website, how we are seeing the dashboard. We can also create the dashboard in our mobile phone, and we can see the status in our mobile phone also. So tutorial is available in YouTube. You can for creating application in mobile phone in Blink, that is a really simple one. You can watch the video. Okay, I will share that video also in our group, how to create a mobile application. That is only take 5 to 10 minutes only. But if you are not interested in mobile stuffs, you can also create dashboard in our PC like this. Okay, so that's all about today class. Any doubt you can ask, or else if you want to create know how to upload into GitHub, I will show that also, because you may already upload Tinkercad output in website in GitHub, but walkme is some different. Okay, you need to create, take the block diagram in different way. So I will show that, or else you will do. First say concept is understood or not, how ESP is connecting to the Blink website. You understand how the IoT is working, right? Give time. Actually my lap is also getting low charge, so we will need to end up the class as soon as possible. Any doubt? I will show the tutorial how to upload to the GitHub, or else we will end up the class. You will upload your own. Just say that. Any doubts you can ask also regarding the coding, how to connect the ESP into uh, Blink IoT platform. Any doubt means you can ask now. You need to submit this project as soon as possible. Okay, I will show how to upload into GitHub. So please see this. So how to do that? Okay, for initially, okay, what you have written, I have not seen that one. How to upload GitHub? Okay, I will show that. So open your GitHub first of all. GitHub. GitHub.com. Okay, this is our GitHub page. So create new repository. Click this one, new, and create new repository as our week 3 project, right? So give week 3. Okay, anything you can give name, that is your choice. So week 3 means you get a understand exact project. Okay, so week 3, our project name, what we have given, smart home security. Okay, this one. Okay, so we will create this one. Make sure no spaces, because it may create some issues. It's no issue, but it is better practice. Okay, and create repository. Make sure the visibility is public. So we have successfully created our repository. So you can see here. So how to upload? Click this. Sorry, where is the thing here? Actually we need to open our repository. Here we can see. Okay, code section. Get started with GitHub setup in the desktop. Okay, nothing. You don't need to go here. It should show some option to upload. Just searching that one. Create new, create your issues. Okay, first we will see how to get the files. Okay, open your walkme. Okay, this one. So first how to take the block diagram. So for that, full screen our this one. So close this serial monitor. Okay, and take the screenshot. Okay, so you know how to take screenshot. Okay, like this. There is some software available default in your website, in your computer or PCs. Just drag like this, cover the area and capture. Now you have the block diagram. Okay, screenshot and exit the full screen. Then click this. First you need to save the project. Okay, that is the really important, and take this link also. This link is also really important. Copy, or else when you are clicking this share means you will get the project link. Just copy this one and go to your GitHub. Okay, so here we need to refresh. Okay, actually previously how we uploaded, yeah, here you can see create a new file or uploading an existing file. You need to create click this uploading an existing file. So now you have seen here, right? So just control V, choose your file and go to the pictures, screenshots, and select your block diagram. Okay, and commit changes. Now you can see the name is like showing like this, so you need to rename this one. So while uploading, make sure you rename this one. Okay, so I will try to rename. Yeah, here you can change the name. Control block diagram. Okay, commit changes. Commit. Now you have seen, go back to the main. Okay, you have like this, go back. You have see the block diagram here. Okay, when I am opening this block diagram, click this view raw and you download that image. Okay, so one file is downloaded and open this as, okay, this is not opening. So like this you just upload. Okay, I will download and see that one, or else it should show that image. Actually it is not showing. So, oh sorry, we need to change the name. Block diagram dot png. Maybe this will work if the yeah, you can see now the image is showing. Okay, make sure you end up with png, that is the image format. Okay, png, jpg, jpeg, so those are image format that only show the image like this. So now we have successfully uploaded the block diagram. Now you need to add a readme file. Click add a readme. Here you need to give the project link. Okay, paste. This is my project link. So you will say that before this project link. Okay, so this is our project link and commit changes. Project link also there. So in readme file we have the project link, block diagram also we have. Now we need to upload our code. That is really important. Okay, so go back to our here this one walk V and copy the code. Go back to GitHub and add file, create new file, paste the code here and give the name here, code or something like that, program or some name you can give. Okay, I need to understand that program. Okay, and end with .c. So we are using the C program. So commit changes. Now we have three. This one is program and block diagram. Open the program. Now you see the program. Okay, color is also changed according to our convenience, like we can able to understand clearly. So that is the advantage in GitHub. Now go back to the home page. Now we have three components, that is block diagram, program, and project link. One more thing also we need to upload, and this one is JSON. Libraries no need. Okay. Zoom in, toggle grid. Okay. Okay, that's all about like we are able to get here. Okay, we are not able to get other things here. So from walkv this is completed. Close the walkv. Now go to the blink. Okay, so blink. Actually this one is not our one. Go to here we have our blink. So you need to show this screenshot also. So actually I stopped the program, but you need to run the program and show this online status, and motion status is also I need to see. Okay, so please clearly listen. You need to show the running screenshot. That means the device here you can see it is showing offline, but I need to see the online status, and some LEDs glowing, water status, flame status, or something like that. You need to glow the LED. Okay, that's all about. I screenshot this one and upload this screenshot into our GitHub. So how to do that? Add file, upload file, Control V. Not able to. Okay, choose file and go to your screenshot. And change the name here. Before uploading, change the name. That is really convenient. Or else after upload, we can also change. Okay. So now we have uploaded. Commit changes. So here we have 4 things. Change this into Blink dashboard. How to do that? Open this. Dismiss. And where is the edit icon? This one. Actually go back. Open this. Edit icon. And change the name. What you need to change means dashboard. Blink. Sorry. Blink dashboard. Okay, and dot png. Commit changes. Commit changes. So whoever come to your project link means now they can able to see all these things. So if they click blink dashboard means they will able to see the dashboard also. So that's all about today project and how to upload into GitHub. Everything I have shown you. So that's all about today class. So please follow this procedure to upload your GitHub like project, and share this GitHub link in into my personally. Okay, so you can share that GitHub link after completion. Please finish this project as soon as possible, because in next week we are going to work Raspberry Pi board and do Python programming. Okay, so please finish this as soon as possible. You have a lot of time also. So take 2 days. Okay, you have the free time, so please do that. So yeah, I will close this one. So any doubt you can ask, otherwise you can leave. Okay, so I'll start the recording.